Yeah, I was setting this leaf blower to do a quick review on it, and I just got in, so I'm unboxing it and I'm putting it together real quick. Then I'm gonna show you how it runs, and it's really easy to put together. It's just a few pieces. It's got the main part with the motor on it, and a couple tubes you just snap together. This one here comes with a battery charger, and it comes with 2 batteries, which is nice, so you don't worry about one being dead. You always can have one on the charge. Also comes with a strap, which I probably won't use, but it's good if you want to take a little bit of weight off of it, but it's not too heavy. But it's got different settings. It's got 3 different speeds. It also has like a turbo speed on it. You can match it and blow it a little extra harder. But it blows really good. It's a little loud, but heck, I don't care. I'm outside, so I don't worry about the noise, but more worry about how much power it has, which it has a lot of power to it. So it's a really good leaf blower.